In this video, we are going to show the 6 steps to reassemble the 2018 Draeger SCBA after cleaning. First, thread the shoulder tightening belts into the shoulder harness. Then, slide both shoulder harnesses into the back frame until you hear the click. Next, install both shoulder tightening belts into the lower anchors. Then, place each line on top of the shoulder strap and fasten the buttons, pushing from the outside to inside. Now, thread the waist tightening belts onto the lumbar pads. Finally, install the universal lumbar pads, making sure to hear the click each time. Now your pack is reassembled and ready to be put back into service.